Hello and welcome to my new video. I will show you today how to replace your rear camera and the camera glass on your Samsung A3 2017 model. If you need any parts or tools, you can buy them directly from my video description link, and this will also support my channel. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe. So as you see, the camera glass is pretty cracked, so we need to replace this. And we will also need to replace the camera, because I see some spots when try to shoot a video or try to make a picture. So you will need to warm up the rear glass a little bit. It's pretty glued inside the frame, so you will need to work harder. But just use some tool or some knife. I use a precision knife here, you will see. So all you need to do is you insert the knife carefully in a corner, just a little bit, you know, just to lift it a little bit, and then you will help yourself with a plastic card, because a plastic card won't damage anything. So you use the knife just to lift a little bit the glass, and then go forward with a plastic card around all edges, around all corners, everywhere around, just to cut the glue. Be carefully, don't damage anything inside. There is a NFC receiver, so just like I do it. Okay, now we need to remove all screws here. Okay, now we need to remove the SIM tray, and then we will have to remove these plastics. We start at the bottom, and then just look, we have to proceed on the top, not the middle frame, not the middle plastic. You will see later. See, I removed the top one first, and then let's go with the middle protector. Okay, just lift it carefully. There is still a little bit of glue. Okay, you need to remove this black screw which holds the motherboard inside, and disconnect the display and all other flat cables. Don't forget to disconnect the battery first, of course. Once everything is disconnected, then lift the motherboard. Okay, see, there is the rear camera. So just checking now if the camera is correct. Okay, so this camera is glued a little bit with a kind of plastic frame around it. So okay, there we go. This is the camera. So as you see, this camera, which was inside the phone, has a plastic frame around it. So we need to remove this camera from the frame. We will have to keep the frame for the new camera, because my camera came without the frame. So depends. If you get the camera with the frame, you don't have to do that. But if you get a camera without frame, like I did, you need to keep the old frame. So there are still some small pieces inside. I have to remove this with a knife or some tool or something. Just be careful, you don't cut yourself or whatever. Let's go for another try. So I need to remove this metal piece inside, you see, because these are still some parts from the old camera. Just be carefully and clean the frame from all pieces from the old camera. And when you have a clean plastic frame, then you can insert the new camera. So finally cleaned. Okay. So now find the correct position, like it was before, insert the frame and then insert the camera. Okay, now insert the motherboard. Just be carefully, look for all flat cables, and once inserted, just connect everything like it was. Don't forget about the black screw for the motherboard. Okay, now we have to clean this small piece, this cracked lens. So we will remove this small pieces of glass, clean it, and then we will put a new lens on it, a new glass protector for the camera. You can clean this with some tool. Plastic tool maybe is better, or a small screwdriver. Whatever helps you better. But underneath it there is double-sided adhesive tape, so you can peel it off like I did. See? Okay, now I use this new one. This is a new piece of glass. So anyway, you can use this double-sided adhesive tape or some glue, or you can use both of them. I use here E8000 glue. Go around. This is very strong glue and for better holding. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Okay, now stick this piece of glass on it, glass protector. Don't press too hard, otherwise you can break something. So just gently press it, go around with your finger just to make it stick, like I do. That's it. So the phone won't turn on because there is a connection on the middle frame on this plastic here protector. So I'm just trying to bend a little bit the connectors, but you don't have to. Like I just did this for myself. Okay, so now you have to place back all these 3 plastic protectors, screw them inside the frame. So the phone is turning on, so I'm just checking if the camera is working fine. Just have a look. Okay, mine was working fine, so I can proceed here. So now we have to stick back the back frame. I mean the plastic cover, the plastic battery cover. Oh, sorry, it's a glass battery cover. Okay, I'm heated up here again, and I'm using the old adhesive tape, so for me it's enough. You have to know that the phone is not anymore waterproof, so forget about go swimming with your phone. So now you gently press it inside the frame, and then you go around with your fingers, press it everywhere, and then you can help yourself with a cloth, just press it down, go and like you do a hard polish. Don't be too hard, but you know, just press it. Find the right pressure, strongness. Just go a second time around and that's it. Okay, so put the SIM card back and then you are ready to go. Congratulations, that's it. So thanks guys for watching. If you have any questions, you can comment below. I will try to answer your questions as soon as possible. If you want to donate, there is also a donate link in my video description. And please don't forget to subscribe. See you soon. CrocFIX.